Imagine two objects lying in the bright sun. One object is a piece of wood. The other object is a piece of iron. Both stay in the sunlight for the same time. So both receive same heat energy. Now, you touch them carefully. The iron feels very hot. The wood feels much less hot. So why does iron feel hotter than wood? This is because iron has a high heat capacity as compared to wood. So what is heat capacity? Heat capacity is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of an object by 1 degree Celsius. Why heat capacity is different for different substances? Heat capacity depends on the type of atoms or molecules, their mass, forces of attractions, and structure of substance. For example, water has high specific heat capacity because its molecules are strongly attracted to each other by hydrogen bonding. When heat is added to water, much of the energy is used to break or loosen these hydrogen bonds. As a result, the temperature of water rises slowly. The mathematical expression for heat capacity is given by the formula C equals Q divided by delta T, where C represents heat capacity, Q represents the heat added or removed, and delta T represents the change in temperature. This formula helps us understand the relationship between heat energy and temperature change for a given object. Heat capacity also depends on the amount of substance present. A large object has a greater heat capacity than a small object made of the same material. For example, a large pot of water requires more heat to increase its temperature by 1 degree than a small cup of water. Although heat capacity is useful, it changes whenever the amount of substance changes. To overcome this limitation, scientists use a more precise quantity called specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity is defined as amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. Specific heat capacity depends only on the type of substance, not on its amount. Because of this, it is called an intensive property. An intensive property is a property of matter that depends only on the type of matter and not on the amount. For example, consider water. If we take 1 gram of water and 100 grams of water, both samples have the same specific heat capacity. This means each gram of water requires the same amount of heat to raise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius, no matter how much water is present. Heat capacity and specific heat capacity are related to each other. Heat capacity of an object can be calculated by multiplying its mass by specific heat capacity. This relationship is expressed as C equals m times C, where m is the mass of the substance and C is its specific heat capacity. This formula shows that even if two objects are made of the same material, the one with greater mass will have higher heat capacity. If this lesson helped you, press like and subscribe. Watch the next video and continue learning.